Hey everyone, it's time for our flame and so glad you can join me for another video today. Today we're going to be making large bouquet, so I thought it'd be nice to film it, just show you what to expect when you come to Adam Flower Man. So I guess it's a bit more a personal video, something that we will be selling in the shop or that will be going out for delivery, but we also sell it in the shop as well. So it takes a little bit to prepare. So slowly getting all the ingredients, all the flowers, just doing a few preserved wirings, just to make the bouquet a bit more interesting, a bit more fun. So it'd have a few unique pieces. So I'm just going to quickly do it. So all I'm really doing is just putting large wire to the end, and I'm just going to tape up where that wiring is, just to make it a bit more secure. But at the same time, at no point these would touch the water or anything, but it would just blend in with all the other stems. So you hardly notice. So I'm just going to do a few bunny tails, and then I've got a few billy buttons, which I think I'll just wire them as a group. Sometimes the hardest bit's just finding where you've put the wires. So I thought I'd just have a quick moment to say thank you all for watching. Before we start arranging, thank you all for the support. If you continue to like our videos and just trying a few things different here and there, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to us as we start our journey into YouTube. Something a little bit different, a bit more fun. Sort of bringing back the old school vertical video style. Can be a little bit problematic with everything going more linear and vertical. But I enjoy the format. Gorgeous big billy buttons. We'll just do two at a time. Something like that. And we'll just do one more, a bit more quirky. Alright, we're almost there. Preparation always takes a little bit longer than planned. I'm just going to fix up the foliage.